Number 1. The UKOKE Garden Tool Set is a complete 12-piece kit designed to make gardening easier, more organized, and more enjoyable. Inside, you'll find heavy-duty pruning shears with SK5 high-carbon steel blades for sharp, reliable cuts, plus a stainless steel snip for shaping flowers and delicate plants. The set also includes 5 essential hand tools: rake, spade, trowel, weeder, and cultivator, crafted from durable cast aluminum alloy. Each tool has a hanging hole for simple storage. To keep everything organized, UKOKE provides a waterproof apron made from tough 600D polyester with PVC coating. It features multiple pockets for tools and supplies, plus a kneeling pad for added comfort during long sessions. Ergonomic anti-slip handles make every tool easy to grip, reducing strain on your hands and arms. The kit even comes with Garden Genie gloves, perfect for weeding and planting. Compact, durable, and thoughtfully designed, this set is ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Number 2. The hand weeder tool is a simple yet powerful gardening essential designed to make weed removal quick and effortless. Crafted from durable stainless steel, its sharp blade digs deep to pull weeds out from the root, helping you keep your garden beds clean and healthy. Measuring just 7 inches long and weighing only 3.2 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for precision work around delicate plants. The classic wooden handle provides a comfortable, natural grip, reducing strain on your hands while giving you full control. Its compact size means you can carry it anywhere, and the sturdy build ensures it will last through countless gardening sessions. Whether you're tackling stubborn weeds in flower beds, vegetable patches, or tight corners, this tool is reliable, efficient, and easy to use. A must-have for gardeners who value simplicity and effectiveness, the hand weeder tool makes maintaining a tidy garden effortless. Number 3. The Kynep pruning shears are built for gardeners who want sharp, reliable performance with every cut. Made from professional SK5 steel, the blades are ultra-strong, rust-resistant, and designed to stay sharp even after repeated use. That means less effort and cleaner cuts when trimming branches, shaping plants, or deadheading flowers. The ergonomic handle design reduces pressure on your hands, while the soft silicone grip feels comfortable and secure, much better than standard plastic handles. At 8.6 inches, these shears are the perfect size for control and precision. Safety is built in too, with a simple one-button lock and unlock mechanism that's easy to operate. Capable of cutting branches up to 1 inch thick, they're ideal for roses, bonsai, vegetables, and shrubs. Whether you're maintaining a flower bed or shaping hedges, the Kynep pruning shears deliver durability, comfort, and efficiency, making them a must-have tool for any gardener. Number 4. The Hori Hori garden knife is one of the most versatile tools you can own for gardening and outdoor work. With a 7-inch stainless steel blade, it's built for digging, cutting, sawing, and even measuring soil depth when planting. One side of the blade is sharp for slicing, while the other is serrated for tackling tough roots. It even includes a cord-cutting edge that doubles as a bottle opener, making it useful beyond the garden for camping or fishing trips. The full tang construction ensures strength and durability, with the blade securely riveted into a solid wood handle that feels comfortable and stable in your hand. At 12.1 inches overall, it's sturdy enough for heavy tasks, yet easy to maneuver. A protective sheath with a belt loop keeps the knife safe and close at hand, while a hanging hole at the handle top makes storage simple. Strong, practical, and multifunctional, this knife is a gardener's best friend. Number 5. The Hoe Garden tool with a 45-inch long handle is designed to make weeding, planting, and cultivating soil easier and more comfortable. Its 2-in-1 design combines a hoe blade on one side for digging and chopping weed roots, with 3 sturdy steel prongs on the other for loosening and aerating soil. That means you can switch tasks with just a flip of the handle, no need to change tools. The steel handle is lightweight yet durable, with a non-slip grip that makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. At 45 inches overall, it's long enough to reduce back strain, so you can work without constant bending. The tool is easy to assemble, with adjustable pull sections that let you shorten it for smaller jobs. A convenient hanging hole makes storage simple. Strong, versatile, and ergonomic, this hoe is perfect for maintaining vegetable beds, flower gardens, and backyard spaces.